quick reading for February the 11th to February the 12th, Leo. We have the Eight of Wands, the Nine of Wands, and the Devil card. Medyo binubuksan natin ang ating pinto for communication, no? Medyo dahil nandun pa rin yung ines, nandun yung galit, yung gigil. Dahil namimiss natin ang person natin so much, kahit parang hindi pa masyadong okay, hindi pa masyadong healed, parang sinasabi mo, pwede na to, no? Pero iba kasi yung pwede na to sa pwede na. Kasi pwede na to means you are, kumbaga, hindi pa talaga maayos, no? But for the sake of, let's do this. May mga bagay na siguro pwede na when it comes to siguro iba pagluluto, no? Baking is different. That should be perfect. Ang gusto kong sinasabi dito is dapat perfect, no? Kung sa pagluluto, katulad nung kay Mami Tan, no, kay Mami Grace, kung pwede na to, that's okay. Pero yung sa'yo, kailangan baking. Kasi with the devil card in here, baka kasi mas lalong sumama kapag nagkaroon pa kayo ng conversation, at least for now, kung hindi pa ganun ka-healed, no? This is your quick reading for February the 11th to February the 12th, Leo.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.